What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, how you guys doing, man? You guys seen we got the 2020 yesterday. We went to Sacramento and picked that thing up. We did take a few parts off, but we did put a few parts on, so it doesn't look too much different. But in the meantime, man, if you guys haven't entered the giveaway, man, for my 2018 Road King back there, head over to everythingsregular.com, copy your camo hat. We have two different options. Either one will gain you entry into the giveaway, man. The rim should be done today or so, waiting to pick those things up, as well as the front end should all be situated within the next couple of days, man. So that thing should be pretty much complete this week. I can't wait, man. So if you guys haven't entered, head over there right now and go get your hat. Meanwhile, man, you guys remember we have a 2017 that's been at BBV getting the front end put on for like forever, man. So we finally got the last little parts, the crash bar, the turn signals and stuff like that. That's what I kind of had to take off this bike, but we're on our way up there to get that thing finished and complete today, so that thing can be getting shipped out to Virginia this week as well. So got a few things to do today, man. My car is freaking dirty. Have not drove that thing in about a month, man. So got to get a car wash on that thing too. So let's load this thing up and slide with your boy, man. I just got to see, like, it's rained and stuff out here and everything. Y'all see like the water spots and everything. This is ridiculous. I don't understand how I'm treating a car like this, my dream car at that, man. So gotta go get this thing cleaned up, because if y'all even look up in the sun, it does look super dirty, man. So gotta get it going, but we will get it going. So let's see, man. Alrighty, man, we done pulled up to BBV. It's time to get our crash bar and our turn signals on this green thing real quick, and we'll be done with this thing. So let's get this stuff out the car, and then we'll be good to go, dog. Yes, sir. It is here, guys. That thing is looking good. And he actually got a vent for it, so that's a plus. That's dope. Can't wait to get this outer fairing on there. Oh, this thing looks so good, dog. I cannot wait to see this thing in the sun. Oh my God, I'm super excited. Like, I just got amped up, dog. Just got amped up. What y'all thinking so far? Let your boy know. Woo! Got them black lowers on that joint. That thing looks so good. I am digging it, dog. Let your boy know in the comments below what you think about it. We did get the that little exhaust leak figured out and everything. We got the bags at the house, so they're just gonna put on this turn signals and the crash bar, and it should be pretty much ready to go. So we should be able to pick this up later on today, man. So let's let them do their job, and we'll go home and get the garage set up and ready for this thing. Alrighty, man, let's see. My guy got us right. Ooh, wait. Yes, sir. Sounds really good. It's a lot quieter. Oh, yeah. A lot quieter than it was, that's for sure. A lot quieter than it was. We got the lights and everything's figured out. The outer fairing, inner fairing, everything is looking good to go. So that's dope. Oh yeah, we got the radio in there, we're working. That's dope. That's dope, man. I can't wait to take this thing on a ride. Things should be really fun, man. Let me know what y'all think about it. Yes, sir, man. And we got some music now, so we good to go, man. Yes, sir. My guys here at BBV got us right, man. Alrighty, guys. Next day here, man. The green bike should just be about done, man. So we about to head back down there to BBV and see if we can pick that thing up. They needed two little pieces from our fairing. Harley said they was gonna take forever to get it, so I'm about to take them mine and then see if we can get that thing back today, because I need it back today. It's looking good. It was looking good yesterday, and I can't wait to see this thing, because got a little surprise for you guys of what we're about to bring to this 2020, man. So that one's gonna give me some nice ideas. So let's see if we can go pick that thing up already now, shall we? Alrighty, guys, just pulled up to BBV. About to see what this green thing looking like real quick, man. About to see. Got it going on in here, got it cracking. Everybody working hard. Y'all see my green thing over here? Ooh, that AC feels lovely. Yes, sir. Getting it going, man. Y'all see what's going on? We got the turn signals on right there. My guy is getting cracking. So, should be done any second, but we gonna get to that in a second, man. All right, man, let's check him out. Yes, sir. Y'all see it coming off the freaking stand. Thing is looking really good here, dog. My guys got me right. That thing is looking real nice. Can't wait to throw a shine on that Joan dog. Get that thing cleaned up. Ooh wee. I'm digging it. What y'all think, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. We about to get this thing out here and get it loaded up on the truck, take it back to the house, wipe it down. From there, we will be trying to get like a first ride of some sort, man. So, yes, sir. We about to see that first ride. See what this thing look like. Ain't that thing look good? That thing look nice, man. Okay, he's sliding too. OG slide, man. Alrighty, guys. We got this thing loaded up, ready to go. So, can't wait to get this thing to the crib and get it cleaned up and throw the bags on there and get it going, man. So we're gonna strap this up and head to the crib, man. Can't wait. Alrighty, guys, we got this thing loaded up, ready to go. It's time to head to the house. We got to get our car washed up, then to the car wash, clean this thing up for one and final time, and then we'll get that first ride on this thing. Meanwhile, we done blew up 2 bikes, man, so we're gonna take this one quite easy if you ask me, but let's go ahead and get it out. Man, we done pulled up to the car wash. Y'all know the routine. The bike ain't as dirty as it usually be, but it is some dust and stuff on it, a bunch of fingerprints and whatnot, man. So time to get this thing cleaned up. Can't wait. We're gonna clean it up, do our little due justice, and get it back to the crib and get it offloaded, man. So let's get it. Just like that, got her all cleaned up. Can't wait to see her in the sun. Fingerprints and everything is gone. So let's head home and get this thing off the triz up. Finally, the time we have been waiting on. We made it to the crib. The green bike is done. It is finally time to get this thing offloaded and get it wiped down for pretty much the last time. Should be getting shipped out here within a couple days, so hopefully it does. In the meantime, we'll offload this thing and get it cleaned up so it can be ready to go. Yes, sir. Now that we got it out the shop, from around them other bikes and everything, we can actually see how this thing is looking. Oh my God. Clean as heck, boy. Them bags is about to bring this whole bike together, man. We got to get this thing one more final detail, so I'm going to throw it up on the jack stand. But y'all see here first, man. Not that much to clean, but it is about to look way better because we got like water spots and just everything like that. So we'll get this thing shined up for the final time and get that first ride in, man. So now before I do get this thing cleaned up, man, y'all see how ashy some of these parts is, man. I'm gonna just let y'all in on a little secret because I know some of y'all bikes might be ashy too, man. So head on down to Harley Davidson, get you some pig spit, and it's gonna bring all this back to life. So I'm gonna show you after we get done, but we about to time lapse this thing real quick, dog. Alrighty, guys, here we have it. Finally complete, cleaned up and everything. We'll get close-ups in a second, but just get a quick walk around. Got the bags on there. Looks really good and clean. Look at that engine bay. I'll let you check it out from the other side with the light. But So far, so good. Check him out. Check him out. Check him out, big dog. Looking real good. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Looking real good, man. I am loving it. What y'all think about the bike, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. You already know what time it is. It's time to get this thing started and take it for a ride, man. We got that thing cleaned up, so you guys know that means it's time for a first ride, man. First rides lately haven't been the best of them, even the second rides. But I am gonna take it easy, man, so please wish me luck on this first ride. You know, the first rides usually be my favorite part, but now it's like, dun, dun, dun. Especially with y'all at the computers like, ooh, I'm waiting for something to happen. But nah, man, we about to hop on this thing and go to our favorite spot, man. So I'm gonna turn y'all to the GoPro and let's get up out of here, dog. Alrighty, guys, we have made it out here to the desert. This thing is riding freaking amazing. Like, I know I told y'all I wasn't gonna go crazy, and I wasn't, and I'm not. But man, you guys would think the T-bars on here will be like kind of weird. Actually, it feels a lot better than the pullbacks, man. You guys just got to try something different. I know most of you guys haven't even tried the T-bars, but these things feel really amazing. It feels like you have a lot of control. So that's dope, man. This bike is looking so freaking marvelous. Can't wait, man. I'm excited, man. Y'all know we got this one done, so now this is just amping me up to finish my 2020 that much more. So I'm hoping my boy Drake can come out here and scoop that thing for me, because I just got, like, I'm tired of driving right now, man. So hopefully he can come get us right and start getting us bust down, man. But we are here on this thing. This thing is looking good. I love the green on it, color scheme, everything is flowing, man. Let me know what y'all think about it right now in the comments below, dog. we have just made it back. This thing is so freaking fun. These T-bars just feel amazing. I can't even hold you. I was thinking about switching the bars for the Road King. I don't think I am. I think these are actually a little bit taller than the Road King, but they do feel amazing, looks amazing, and it rides great, man. So this thing is pretty much ready to get shipped off now, man. You guys know I would typically be riding this thing all day and everything, but after this last weekend, these last few days, man, once these things is done, they about to be put up, man. So it should be getting shipped before the week is up. So can't wait to get this thing to Virginia. If you're watching, buddy, it's on its way, dog. Now that we know that thing is good to go, we can pretty much park this thing up. Gonna keep the 2020 closer because I think that one will be going before this green one. I think Dre is going to be coming to pick that one up. So I want to keep it on the end, but we will get it in here, guys. So let's clean up the garage and do it. Alrighty, guys, we got the bikes in, got them lined up, man. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2018 Road King, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now and cop your camo hat, man. We got 2 different camo hats. Either one will gain you entry into the giveaway, man. The wheels should be done, I guess, in a couple days. They were done, but the chrome on it was kind of messed up, so the dude had to redo the tank and stuff. Yeah, I know, chroming issues. If they were powder coated, we would have been had them back and on the bike already, but no big deal. That chrome is going to pop when we do have it. So the front end is already completely painted, so we'll be heading to LA, or hopefully the homie will come pick up the bike and then he'll be able to swing by Antonio's and bring that for us. Either way, the Road King will be done soon, so make sure you head over to everythingsregular.com and enter the giveaway right now. Meanwhile, the green bike is done and complete. We did get a first ride on that thing today. It was wonderful. T-bars feel amazing. Everything on this bike checks out. Really like it a lot. The music on it even sounds good. As for the 2020, like I said, my boy should be coming out here to scoop this thing up. He is busting it down to the frame, so this one should be coming together really soon, hopefully before the next big event. So that should be fun, man. But I'm loving the colors here. Loving the colors, man. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below, man. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We are almost at 40,000 subscribers, man. So I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in, supporting your boy, man. If you haven't already, help your boy out and subscribe, man. It's only a click, so go ahead and do so now. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2018 Road King, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy your camo hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, man. We got 2 different colors, man, so you got a couple options to choose from, man. Meanwhile, the green bike is hopefully getting shipped out this week, man. I think it's done and complete. What do you guys think about the first ride? How did that thing come out? Let me know, do you like it or not, man? Let me know in the comments below right now. In the meantime, man, it's freaking hot. I'm sweating bullets, man. So I'm gonna have to take a chill pill. In the meantime, I'll catch you guys tomorrow, man. Peace.